Cessna 70 Alpha, make left traffic, runway 23, clear for takeoff, follow the Cessna on the upwind.
Roger, clear for takeoff 23, left traffic 9270 Alpha.
Saratoga 92 Lima, what's your distance? Saratoga 9292 Lima, Frederick Tower, what's your distance and altitude?
8.7 out, 3,000.
Saratoga 92 Lima, roger. And there's a Cessna going out towards Ricky from the airport, just at a miss, going to climb. It's 2,800, hold ahead, Ricky.
No contact on the traffic at Saratoga 92 Lima.
That's 501 traffic, Saratoga, 8 miles on final at 3,000 descending for a straight in.
We got our eyes out, don't see me on 29501.
That's 3 Mike Echo, having sight, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land 23, 160 Mike Echo.
Sierra Alpha is Matefield 423.
Cessna 70 Alpha, runway 23, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 23, 9270 Alpha. We'll be landing to full stop, please.
Cessna 70 Alpha, roger, clear to land.
Clear to land 23, 9270 Alpha.
Good morning, First Tower. Skyhawk 11019 is 5 miles west of Jovier for practice RNF 5 approach. We can circle land 23 on.
There you go.
Check 70, roger, you'll be number 2 following the Bonanza, about 3 to 4 to the northeast on a dog leg. Just continue and report them inside or I'll turn your base for you.
Flight check 70, welcome.
Bonanza 22 Whiskey, have you in sight, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 23, 22 Whiskey.
Cherokee 450, what's your distance?
5 mile out, November 8, 450.
And Cherokee 450, I tell you what, give me one more 360.